It is Thursday, the 20th of June, and it is summer solstice. And let me tell you, we can tell around here it's summer solstice. Oy, oy, oy. The heat index, roasty toasty, roasty toasty. Sandy is going to organize a crochet along coming up soon. And it's going to start on the Thursday, the 11th of July. So you can get all your ducks in a row. And the bucket hat these days is very, very popular, especially in crochet. So she has two different models. She has this cute one with the stripes. You could do it in a solid too, I guess. And then this one, which is the granny square, which is so cute. So, Yarn Inspirations. It's the Flower Power Crochet Bucket Hat and the Summer Stripes Crochet Bucket Hat. Two really cute hats. So, it'll be on Thursdays from 1 to 3 in the afternoon on the 11th, the 18th, and the 25th. So, make a plan. I might even join the group, especially after the 11th. I'll be done on the 15th, I think. So maybe I need to crochet a hat, even though I don't crochet. So who knows? I think it could be done. So I have an idea for this bucket hat. We could do all these colors in Coastal Cotton by Queensland. But what about this? What about a blue hat and a multi-flower and a bright yellow center? I think that would be an adorable bucket hat. I love it. Each one of these, the solids are $10 and the multi is $10.50. So, oh, this is Coastal Cotton Ocean Mist, and this is just Coastal Cotton. So that's my first. And then we could make the stripe could look rather like the sample, and we could do the army green, right? And the cream. Great. You could do this bright orange, which I love, and this awesome multi. That would be great too. A multi and a thing, all striping. Be a great summer hat. Or what about the traditional preppy green and pink? What do you think? I think so. Why not? There are a multitude of colors, so you can mix and match and do anything you want. I think it'll be very fun. So, looking forward to that. What is today? Oh, I told you. Today is summer solstice. And I think the heat index this weekend could get up to like 105 or worse. What? It's got to be a day for the pool or the lake, for sure. For sure. Okay, I don't think I have anything else. Tomorrow's Friday. Friday. So I will see you tomorrow.